Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with your WooCommerce store if emails are not getting sent. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WooCommerce platform that you're using. So if you're using WordPress like me, just go to wordpress.com and this is going to open up your main page. From here, we can get started accessing our plugins. At the left side of the screen, we can open up the plugin section where we can access our WooCommerce plugins. So let's go and take a look at how to fix any problems such as emails not being sent. As you can see here, we have an article on what to do if our emails are not being sent. So as you can see here, we have multiple options that we can see and what might be happening with our emails. So sometimes they're going to spam and so on, and what you want to do is go and finding the actual plugin conflict that's causing the emails. So what you're going to do is go into your plugin section and find all the plugins you have installed and disable them one by one, the ones that might be affiliating with your email system, and then see which one is causing the problem by turning them one by one. And once you turn the one that's going to bring the problem back, you're going to know which one is causing the conflict. So what you can do is go and follow the rest of the steps right here. Find this article right here or Mr. Loom, or find any similar article and take a look at all the steps on how to get started fixing this. You can also go ahead and contact customer support. Contact customer support of WordPress, explain what the problem is, and they're going to walk you through step by step on how to fix any plugins that might be causing the problem and how to get your emails working. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.